Imagine having access to clean drinking water anytime, anywhere. With Joseph's Well, this dream can become a reality. This innovative system uses atmospheric water generation technology to produce fresh water directly from the air. It's not just a product, it's a lifeline for families, particularly in areas facing water scarcity. Joseph's Well is designed for everyone. No technical background or plumbing skills are needed. The system is beginner-friendly with step-by-step video tutorials, blueprints, and a complete list of affordable materials you can easily find at any hardware store. Created by John Gilmore, the system empowers households to take control of their water supply. It can produce several gallons of water each day, depending on local humidity levels. Imagine having this reliable source of water during an emergency, a natural disaster, or even just for simple everyday use. This system operates by capturing humid air, cooling it until water vapor condenses, and purifying the resultant liquid for safe drinking. With Joseph's Well, you can produce clean water without relying on public utilities or worrying about environmental concerns. It supports both traditional electricity use and solar power, making it perfect for off-grid living. Joseph's Well not only provides a reliable water supply, it also promotes environmental responsibility. By reducing reliance on bottled water, this system helps lessen plastic waste, and it operates quietly, making it suitable for both rural and urban settings. With built-in purification and mineralization features, the water produced is not only safe but also enriched with essential minerals. Each drop you consume is fresh, healthy, and trustworthy, setting a new standard for your family's hydration. The benefits of Joseph's Well extend beyond just water production. It fosters resilience and independence. In today's world, where emergencies are common, preparing for water shortages is vital. This system ensures you are ready with your own supply of clean drinking water. In conclusion, Joseph's Well is a powerful, accessible solution for anyone looking to ensure their family's hydration needs are met, sustainably and reliably. Equip yourself with Joseph's Well today, and take the first step toward greater self-sufficiency in securing one of life's most essential resources. Are you ready to make a smart investment in your family's future? Click the link in description below to learn more and discover how you can secure your own Joseph's Well system today.